Hey, I'm Steve Knotts. Welcome to the Mixitecture YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you what you can find on this channel and what you cannot find on this channel so you know what we're doing differently. First up, this is all about making tracks in Ableton Live with Session View. That's because Session View is the best part of Ableton Live. I make tracks there, I DJ there, I play live in Session View, and I think everybody should be using it. So I'm going to show you Ableton tips and techniques for making really cool original electronic music in Session View. Now, do I ever use the arrangement? Yeah, sure. When I'm doing final automation on a mix that I'm going to export for mastering or something, yeah, I use the arrangement, but you can do everything you need to do in Session View. That means sound design, song structure, and mixing all happen in Session View. Notice that I just gave you the 3 pillars of electronic music: sound design, song structure, and mixing. All you have to do is get good at those 3 things, and you can make music that people are gonna like. Now, when it comes to mastering and publishing and everything, yeah, you need to learn some more things, and there are people to help you with that. But when you're making original electronic tracks with Ableton Live, all you have to do is get good at sound design, song structure, and mixing, and people are gonna like your music. So that's what this channel is all about, to fill in the background information you might have missed, like what are the parts of a synthesizer, what is a compressor, EQ, what is gain staging, stuff like that. I can help you out a lot. And then if you want to go deeper, here's what we are not doing on this channel. I'm not gonna make you watch me on a million hours of video, because people don't really learn by watching video. I'm gonna point you to hands-on session lesson tutorials where you can actually play with the tutorial inside Live and learn by doing it. I invented session lessons to give people a unique learning experience where you play with the sounds. This came from working with vinyl DJs where they wanted to learn how I beat match and DJ in Ableton, and I said, fine, I'll show you, but you're gonna do it on your computer and you're not gonna watch me. I made them do it so when they get to the gig on Friday night, they can remember how to do it. So I don't want you watching me. I want you to open my guided Ableton projects and follow along with the tutorials where I put the lessons inside Live so you can hear audio instructions, watch automated examples, and then you grab the controls and play with the sounds to actually have some fun making music and learning by doing it. That's the best way to learn. It's a no-brainer. Once you see a session lesson, you'll totally get it. They're available on my Gumroad store, and any video is going to have a link over to Gumroad at the end of the video, so don't worry about that part. The main thing to remember is, number 1, we are making original electronic music in Ableton Live with Session View to work on sound design, song structure, and mixing so that you can come away with really cool tracks that people like, that feel like your style. That's really what I'm all about. If you have any questions, you can always drop a comment or DM me on Instagram, or you can email me, steve@mixitecture.com. If anybody's curious, I've been doing this for like 25 years. I started making music on the MPC 2000 sampler with some Roland keyboards. I went to audio engineering school in New York, and for the last 25 years, I've been DJing, traveling, performing, and working as a live sound engineer. So when I tell you about MIDI or how to connect with the audience or how to make your tracks transfer to a big sound system, I've been doing it, and I love to share my information and knowledge with you and put it into context with stories where you can apply it in your own music and benefit from it, instead of sitting there getting overloaded and zoning out on YouTube for a million hours. It doesn't help anybody. That's what it's all about. Thanks so much for coming. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop a comment or get in touch. I'm happy to help. I'm Steve Knotts. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in Session View.